Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Unbound Learners Pre-K. How are you feeling today? That's so great to hear. Are you ready to do our good morning song together? All right. We make our arms out in front into a big circle like this, then raise them up high and back out in front of us. Now let's sing. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers, everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. I hope that you're having a wonderful day so far. Let's move on to our calendar and weather chart. Today is December 31st, 2020. So let's move our chip from the number 30, which was yesterday, to the number 31, which is today. And would you look at that? It's the 31st, December 31st, and it is the last day of December. Did you know that there are 12 months in a year? It takes the Earth 12 whole months, or 1 year, to go around the sun. I have a new song to teach you. It's all about the months of the year. It goes like this. January, February, March and April, May and June, July and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. So December is almost over. It's the 12th month. Tomorrow when I see you, not only will it be a new month, but it will also be a whole new year. How exciting is that? Today is December 31st, 2020. But tomorrow when I see you, the year will be different. How exciting is that? Now let's sing the Days of the Week song. Hold up 7 fingers like this. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's move down here. Yesterday was Wednesday. You're right. So that means that today is Thursday. And tomorrow is Friday. Excellent work, friends. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday all day long. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday all day long. Now let's move up to the season. The season is, say that again, winter. You're right, the season is winter. And if I move down here, I know that it's time to sing the weather song. Will you sing it with me? Okay, here we go. What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? Look at this. At my house, the sun is finally starting to show. It's still very cold outside, but at least it's sunny. It's actually partly sunny because there's some clouds in the sky. But did you know that the sun is starting to make the snow outside of my house melt? So it's a little bit sunny, a little bit cloudy. We can say partly sunny or partly cloudy. What's the weather like at your house? Are you ready to see the shape of the day? Ooh, look at this shape. Do you know what shape this is called? Let's count how many sides it has. Get out those counting fingers. All right, here we go. We'll start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This shape has 4 sides. But wait a minute. We talked about a square. But wait a minute. We already talked about a shape that has 4 sides this week. Do you remember what shape that was called? Yes, a square. A square does have 4 sides, but does this look like a square? This doesn't look like a square to me. This is called a rectangle. And if you remember, a square has 4 sides that are all the same length. But if you look at this rectangle, the bottom 2 sides are the same length, and these 2 sides are the same length. So that's how you know that it's a rectangle. Our shape of the day is a rectangle. So today you are going to use your eyes to try and find all of the rectangles that you see on my work tray. I will give you some hints once the game starts. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. I spy with my little eyes 1, 2, 3 rectangles. So each time you find a rectangle on my work tray, lightly tap the screen or point with your finger. So right now you're looking for 3 rectangles. Have you found any yet? Now the first rectangle may be easy to find since it's so big. Do you see it? You're right. The first rectangle is this book, just below the circle. Now you're looking for 2 other rectangles. Keep looking. Use those eyes. Here's a clue just in case. I spy with my little eyes a rectangle that is the color red. Good work, friends! You found the red rectangle. Any idea as to where the last rectangle could be? There it is, right next to the rectangular book. Now let's get back to circle time. This week, we have been talking all about our 5 senses. We've already talked about our sense of sight, our sense of sound, and yesterday we talked about our sense of smell. That means that we have 2 senses left to talk about. Today, we are going to be using our hands. What sense do you think we're going to be talking about if we're using our hands? That's right, friends. We're going to be using our sense of touch. Now, right behind me, I have a mystery box. I'm going to open it up, but I'm only going to use my hands and my sense of touch to feel inside and guess what it is. All right, I'm going to describe to you the first thing that I feel. Let's see. Ooh, this first thing is a little bit prickly and pokey, even a little bit sharp. It's kind of long. All right, I'm ready to see what it is. Here it comes. Do you see what I have? This is a branch. Do you know what kind of tree this came from? This came from a pine tree. A pine tree has needles like this instead of leaves, and these needles stay on the trees even in the winter time. The needles are a little bit pokey or prickly, so that must have been what I was feeling in my mystery box. All right, I'm ready for the next one. Let's see. All right, this feels pretty small. Ooh, this is bumpy on one side, but it's smooth on the other side. I wonder what that could be. Are you ready to see? All right, here it comes. Can you see what I'm holding? Look at this. This is a small rock or a pebble. And this side is bumpy, but when I turn it over, this side is flat and smooth. And it was pretty small. It fit right into the palm of my hand. All right, friends, I have one more thing inside of my mystery box. Ooh, this is soft and a little bit bumpy, but the bumps are still soft. I wonder what it could be. All right, let's see what it is. Look at this. This is a hand towel. Hand towels are nice and soft because they help wash and dry your hands or face. That was a fun game to play together. You definitely need to use your hands for our work tray activity. Are you ready to see what it is today? All right, let's go check it out. For today's work tray, you will need a mixing bowl and spoon, a 4-ounce bottle of glue. Mine is 5 ounces, so I'm going to use a little bit less. 2 tablespoons of liquid laundry detergent, and 1 to 2 cups of shaving cream. You can also use some food coloring if you'd like. I like this slime recipe because most slime recipes call for borax or saline solution, which not everyone has at home. But in this recipe, the liquid laundry detergent replaces the saline solution. So let's start off and make some slime. First, I'm going to start off with 1 cup of shaving cream. Remember, we can always add more if we don't like the way that the slime feels. I'm going to scoop that into my mixing bowl. There we go. Tap, 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 tap. Next, I'm going to add the glue. So this recipe calls for 4 ounces of glue, and this bottle is 5 ounces. So I'm going to use a little bit less than this whole bottle. I'm going to pour it right in. There we go. Almost all out. Save a little bit because we don't want the full 5 ounces. And I have 2 tablespoons of liquid laundry detergent in here, which I'm going to add to the mix. And I don't think I'm going to use any food coloring just because my laundry detergent is already blue. So let's give this slime a mix. We'll see if we need to add any more shaving cream. Ooh, it smells so good. Mix, mix, mix. Ooh, look at that. It's starting to get a little thicker. And it may be hard to see, but it has a bluish gray color, which I like. If I keep mixing it, I don't even think that I need to add any more shaving cream. Look at that. It's starting to form slime. Mix, 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 mix. It's getting thicker. Give it a couple more mixes. Let's count to 3. Will you count to 3 with me? 1, 2, 3. There we go. I wonder what it's going to feel like. What body part am I going to use to feel the slime? Yes, my hands. All right, here I go. Ooh. This is soft. It's a little bit sticky. If you don't like the feel of the slime, you can always add a little bit more shaving cream, about a cup, to thicken it up. But for me, I like the way this slime feels. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to circle time, friends. Remember, once circle time is over, it will be your turn to do the work tray activity. And today you're going to be using your hands to make your work. I wonder what your slime will feel like. Thanks for learning all about our sense of touch with me today. Tomorrow we have one more sense left to learn about. Do you know what it could be? That's right, our sense of taste. That's my favorite sense. I hope that you have a wonderful day. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel to get a new video that is posted every weekday morning. I'm also offering live and interactive classes on outschool.com. We have one more song left to sing. Will you sing with me? Wave goodbye like this. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Have a great New Year's Eve, and I'll see you next year. Bye, everyone.